Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we're going to see the topic called constraints in SQL. So as of you know, today everyone move to the technology. That means we are using the internet, even we creating the Gmail and accessing the Gmail and so on every day. So constraints. So we go for the concept of constraints here. Here, first of all, you have to know what is constraint. These are rules enforced on the data columns of table here. These also have used to limit the type of data that can go into a table. Moreover, it always ensures the accuracy and reliability of the data in the DBMS. So let's say it may be a column level or a table level. Let's say example of I just not do Gmail. Suppose you want to create a new mail ID. What you can do hostbox at the rate of gmail.com. So you have to check whether it's available or not. So everything happened with the help of constraints only. Moreover, here the column level constraints are applied only to the one column, whereas the table level constraints are applied to the whole table here. We'll see the types of constraint here. One is called not null, another called unique, another one called primary key, foreign key, check, default, create index. So we have to see some of the constraint here. So first of all, we have now some points here that is the pointers. That is not null means the value cannot be null. And unique means you can say values cannot match any older value. And primary key as of you know is used to uniquely identify row. And foreign key we can say reference a row in another table. And check we can say validates condition for new value. And default set default value not passed here. And create index for just to speed up the read process. Here, first one not null constraint. So when you have time, you can try to execute this code. Here, it's a constraint where in a column means that the column cannot be stored null values. Let's assume that we are going to create a table called colleges, where we are giving the information like college ID into not null and college code where character not null and college name where character 50 like that. Let's say real time example where we are going to fill a we are going to assume that we are going to fill a form page. So when you fill the form, suppose if we leaving some text, what will happen? It will say the field is mandatory. That is a perfect example for not null constraint. That means we have to fill the details. Then go for unique constraint. So as of you know, is a in a column. It means that the column must have unique value here. Let's say example, you can say create table college is same college ID int not null unique college code and college name where character and sound. Here the value of the college code column must be unique here. So as of you know, every college has a different college code. Then primary constraint. Here this is simply a combination of not null and unique. Remember primary key. So as of you know, this is an important video. When you go for any certificate course also, these are things mandatory for you, not only gate anything UGC anything. It means that what the column value is used to uniquely identify a row here. Let's say example of this table. We have create a table called colleges, college ID int that is primary key, and college code bracket of 20 not null, and college name where character 50. Then the value of the college ID is it means what? It's a unique identifier for a row. Similarly, it cannot store null value and must be unique here. That's the thing you have to remember. So this is about primary key means what? Combination of not null and unique constraint. So we can do like this. Then check constraint. So is always check the condition before allowing value in a table. Let's assume that we are going to create a table where the table name called orders, or we are going to create order ID is the primary key and amount in check amount greater than equal to 100 or not. So when you execute query, it will simply display the information just order ID and like that amount like that. Then foreign constraint. So as of you, it's also mean for referential integrity. So you can say it's the constraint in the column is used to reference a record that exists in another table. Let's assume that we have create table orders where order ID is into primary key and customer ID is into references that is customer ID. So the simple thing we can understand here. If you want to relate two tables, any two table is there you want to relate, we can go for the concept of foreign key constraint. We can create the link between the two tables with the help of foreign key constraint here. Here the value of the college code column reference the row in the another table named customers. At last we go for the default constraint. So as of you know, the default constraint is just nothing but just constraint, because it is to set the default value if we are trying to store null in a column. So let's assume that we are going to the same table. College ID is the college name, int primary key, where character 20, and college country I'm giving just default US. So when you execute the query, what happens? The default uh, college country column is US only. So like that, you can realize the default constraint. So as of you know, I think hope that you understand these constraint types. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.